Our aspiration for Plaksha is to be a place that provides an environment for fun in learning, in teaching, in researching, that provides an environment for creating leaders of tomorrow who are compassionate leaders.
The attempt with Plaksha is to create a truly world-class, forward-looking university. We are trying to reimagine it in every way possible. Okay? Reimagine it in what we teach, how we teach, who we will hire as faculty, what kind of students we will bring.
The core is science and technology. The focus is science and technology. The entire curriculum is tailor-made for a job waiting in future in the next 3, 4, 5 years, depending on which courses we are doing.
The idea is to create technology leaders and not just technologists who have a holistic understanding of how things work, who can go beyond engineering, because most problems need to go beyond engineering if they have to be solved.
This is the first time a university is blurring technical education with the liberal arts, and I think we're going to create a completely new crop of leaders who are not just able to solve problems but who are entrepreneurs.
We are completely on the same wavelength in terms of bringing together a combination of technology, entrepreneurship, and design with the solutions to grand challenge problems. We have certainly begun this partnership with a number of exchanges of faculty.
Yeah, what excites me about engaging with Plaksha University is basically that it's a greenfield opportunity to explore engineering education innovation. There could be gems here that we could adopt back in the United States.
I feel Plaksha is a transformational university for the future, especially in the Indian setting where higher education is largely antiquated in the past, and this is where I feel Plaksha will make a huge difference.
Plaksha offers an imaginative and creative engineering curriculum which is unique in the world. Our way of teaching courses is based on a lot of practical hands-on experience and innovation, which is not present in the traditional universities today.
Boundaries between traditional disciplines like electrical engineering, mechanical engineering are slowly disappearing, and someone who wants to work at the cutting edge and intersection of these areas is the right fit for Plaksha, because Plaksha offers this model where we don't have these traditional siloed departments, but we are now focusing on broad thematic areas like computer science and AI, robotics and cyber physical systems.
Plaksha provides you with an all-round grooming of your personality, in the sense that you build in a lot of soft skills of effective communication, of empathy, of creativity. It develops you as a personality all round, and it prepares you very well for roles within the industry. And not just for roles within the industry, it prepares you to become world-class leaders and innovators.
Some of the most important transformations in India in the 21st century will likely utilize artificial intelligence for social progress, for decision-making, for autonomy and automation, by leveraging the abundance of data and low-cost access to computing and mobile communications. The vision of the Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence program at Plaksha is really to develop an use the power of AI and machine learning synergistically with human intelligence for more innovative, more productive, and sustainable industry and society. And the program is designed to target the growing and unmet need for highly skilled professionals at the intersection of CS and AI.
Imagine designing self-driving cars that communicate with adjacent vehicles to avoid accidents and reduce traffic deaths. Imagine also developing wearable prostheses that adapt to a patient's injuries and guide individualized exercises in conjunction with a remote therapist. These grand challenges require a new kind of an engineer, someone who can interpret human needs and synthesize technological innovations to generate sustainable solutions.
Plaksha University's program on robotics and cyber-physical systems has a forward-thinking program that cuts across the traditional electrical, mechanical, and computer engineering programs and provides societal context, thus nurturing a new kind of engineer.
The explosive growth of data, dramatic improvement in the cost of computing, and the sophistication of AI techniques has created the perfect storm. An opportunity to augment human decisions and build a better world. Plaksha's data science, economics, and business degree will help students guide AI-driven digital transformation in organizations, governments, and the society at large. The DSCB degree has a core in data science and leverages synergies with a computer science and artificial intelligence major at Plaksha. This core is blended with a deep understanding of how humans think, behave, and make decisions, how global economic and financial markets operate, and how to build a responsible AI system that works and improves the human condition.
The ability to engineer and program biology is one of the most transformative technologies of the 21st century. This technology development has been accelerated by the advances in cloud, artificial intelligence, electrical engineering, and robotics. This is the technology that has allowed us to make new vaccines and treatments for COVID-19 in 6 to 9 months versus 6 to 9 years that it used to take. Plaksha's biological systems engineering degree has been designed with the convergence of biology and engineering to tackle the world's greatest challenges in human as well as planetary health.
I joined Plaksha University because Plaksha is one of the few universities which ensures the futurist technological engineering courses. I'm here for robotics, cyber-physical system.
The faculty, the founders, the academic leadership, all of them are amazing. They're all distinguished in their own fields. The course I'm choosing, data science, economics and business, it's totally unheard of in India. It's a new thing and that's what excites me.
Because I studied biology, I was conventionally expected to pursue a medical profession. But here I am at Plaksha and I'm not only learning biology but also robotics, artificial intelligence, data science and even economics. I joined Plaksha because I want to push my boundaries. I want to lead fearlessly.
I want to explore the unknown.
I want to find solutions.
The world today is not just about technical knowledge. You also have to understand the broader context in which the technology is applied. So societal considerations, grand challenge problems, these are all things that require a multidimensional and multidisciplinary approach. So apart from the technical knowledge, it's very important to expose the young leaders of today to senior leaders and global thinkers. And I think that's what the TLP has been able to accomplish.
This is a program which is unlike any other program in any other university. It combines a technology track with leadership business track, and basically it's 2-in-1. It gets you prepared for a tech world but in a leadership role.
My TLF experience has been really enriching, especially coming from a non-tech background. I'm an economic honors graduate from Hindu College. The curriculum has been very new for me, but the support that I've got from TLF Group, from the Plaksha and from my peers has been extremely helpful. And I think I have the steepest learning graph over here because this is all new for me. I am literally pushing my boundaries every day.
Basically, I wanted to get more experience and more understanding knowledge in machine learning, and TLF being a course in both leadership and machine learning, it seemed perfect for me.
There are hundreds of courses out there in the market right now, both online and offline, who are offering data science, machine learning and AI as specializations. But the curriculum of those colleges come nowhere close to what Plaksha has. Hence, if I had to go to a place wherein I need to develop my verticals plus gain something more, this was a curriculum that stuck by me.
So basically courses like product management, system design, data-driven design, data science helped me a lot in getting business, product and tech skills. And courses like persuasive presence, communication and writing helped me in getting communication skills, soft skills to be a better leader.
If there's one word I would use to describe the YTS program, it's experiential. Because most of the things we're doing here, I've already learned in school, or I've touched upon them a little bit. But I never really understood them in school, or I didn't really study them the way I'm studying them here. Because here, you're actually getting to see what you're doing.
You're solving real problems that happen to real people. Like, you've read about the physics of light, you've read about phosphorus and fluorescence, but then over here, you learn how you can use it to kill off cancer cells. I mean, there is nothing as amazing as that, is there? You're actually helping people. You could do that with technology and with science. And that's what you're learning at YTS, which is why I really love doing this.
I never thought I could program or use an Arduino before in my life, but I feel like with the faculty and the guidance that we've had so far on this program, it's reignited my passion for programming and coding, and it's given me the courage to pursue bigger projects so far.
We get to interact with professors that are leading the research fields in their specific subjects. It's a complete different experience. You get to learn what the scientists are really working on, what processes they are using, what is really put into it, how simple can you go. Not only that, while solving problems, we start from the roots of them, right from the tip of the roots of them. We learn what was the true problem and how scientists got through it. So we go through the entire thought process that we have been through at YTS, and it becomes a different learning experience when you put your hands on right on the project and you learn what's going inside and you do it yourself.
In the next 10 years, I see Plaksha's success as the tech university that created the next generation of entrepreneurs, executives, and leaders, and became a role model for other educational institutions.
Years from now, people will associate Plaksha with cutting-edge technology and leaders who create ethical change.